Hi everybody, welcome to Surrey's probably best kept secret, which is Tillingbourne Waterfall. It's just incredible really, very loud, as you would expect from a waterfall. But the fact that it's in Surrey is incredible really. I had a moment before I came and filmed this, and now I'm here and I'm all chilled out now. I've got my zen vibes going because, you know, it's a waterfall and the sound of water makes me pee a lot. But yeah, here we are. It's actually been quite busy with people sort of walking by. In fact, it's probably one of the rarest gaps that I've got where I'm literally on my own. And unfortunately, you can't go in the waterfall or anywhere near it. There's a pool there, but you can walk past it. What's really interesting is that the footpath itself is designed so that you walk past it and you see it, but you're not allowed to sort of go in it, and then the footpath sort of carries on, because behind us is Leaf Hill. Now, I have done a video on that. I'm assuming that's going to come out after this one. If it's not, then you'll know. Where I had a bit of a, I'm not going to lie, I got really emotional, but that'll be explained in the end of that video. So now I've come here. It's the final bit of the video that I'm doing today. And yeah, even though I can't touch it, and I really want to, and I really want to get in there and, you know, really do a proper video of it, I'm respectful. I'm not going to do that. But either way, it's still pretty impressive just to sort of look at, and the fact that people, there's been a couple of couples that have gone by with their dogs who've had a look. And yeah, it's been very nice. It's been very good. It's very good. It's been really nice, and yeah, just lovely. And it's one of Surrey's best kept secrets. So come down here and go and check out Tillingbourne Waterfall and have a walk, because you can walk. You can pretty much do the Leaf Hill walk if you wanted to. So you can go to Leaf Hill and then kind of come back down the other side of the hill. It's very muddy today though. I'm not going to lie, look, boots. I've just realised I've got to go back in the car after this, obviously. So I'm going to have to de-clean them. But there you go. That was the end of the video. Oh. So before I go, I just want to say a personal massive thank you to everybody who's been supporting me throughout the years on this channel. Really means a lot, and normally I don't really say that, but on this occasion I really am so grateful for everybody and the support that I get, because, you know, I do it for the love of doing it. you know, and it's really nice that people can just sort of just say hi, do you know what I mean, and really enjoy what I'm doing, you know. I'm still trying to sort of create some better content in my channel, and as I've said before, I will be back to the old bunkers and the abandoned buildings, but for now I'm doing what I love doing, which is loving nature and looking at little secrets and surprises that counties have to offer. And Surrey, which is what the county we're in at the moment, has loads, so I know that I can always keep coming back here and keep checking it out. But as I look towards the haunted woods that is behind me, as I depart this wonderful place, I just want to say you all rock my world, and thank you as always for watching. Here for now, and yeah, I'll see you on the other side. And yeah, hope you like that waterfall. That was pretty awesome, wasn't it? So yeah, and we all loved it as well, didn't we? Phoenix History out.